Todd here at All American Classics. This is a 1979 Bronco we bought a couple of weeks ago. It was covered in moss. We pulled it out of some trees where it had been parked for a number of years. You've probably seen the before pictures of it already, where it was covered in moss. It actually cleaned up better than we expected. Note that it is a Bronco Ranger XLT. This thing's loaded with options. Got the sliding windows, got all the trim. So we're probably going to part this thing out, but it is savable. It's just the parts are worth so much money. I don't know that anybody will want to pay us what we need to keep from parting it out. It will need doors. Both doors are rusted out. Both front floor pans are rusted out. Check out the cool mats. Right door jamb's got a little bit of rust out at the seam. Fenders look pretty good. Couple spots in the hood. Left door is bad as well. Fenders, quarters all look real good. Tailgate is junk. Note, this rust is from sitting in the trees. It's not from salt. The under the side of this thing looks real nice, except for the front floor pans, which held water. Got the rear seat. It's not bolted down, but there is a box of hardware. We found all the hardware for it. Sliding windows. Got the chrome moldings around the headliner that everybody's looking for. Tilt column. Got the hood lock. The XLT wood grain. This is a clean title. Also had cruise control, AC. Got your bug deflector. The engine, however, is seized. It will not turn over. We'll give this vehicle online a couple days before we start tearing it apart. If you got some interest in it, call Todd with serious inquiries. We could get a good enough offer. We would sell it complete. They are bringing a lot on eBay. We probably won't put it on eBay. We don't have time to deal with sitting on it. A lot of those buyers flake out. We just don't want to screw with it. So you got questions, call Todd. If it doesn't sell in next 7 days or so, we will eagerly sell parts off it.